Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. It's been a while since I used this camera, my Canon M50. It's been sitting around. It's been around like maybe a year and a half now, and I don't know why. I just never picked it up anymore. I abandoned it. But anyways, today I'm just gonna take you guys and tag along. I'm heading out to this lake that I go to just about every early ice season. Why? I don't know. Maybe because it's close to home. Usually when this lake is ready, then most lakes are ready, but don't take my word for it. Be careful, be cautious. I am heading out this way because I gotta go to Cabela's anyways. I gotta pick up some last minute stuff for some white fishing videos, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna go check out this lake, tag along. Let's go find some ice, let's go find some fish. I got some live minnows with me that has been alive for the past like 4 days. I'm surprised they're still alive. We're gonna go have some fun, find some ice. We're gonna spud our way through. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to this channel, happy new year. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys leave some comments down below, and let's keep growing, guys. Let's keep adventuring together, and let's have a good time. Stay tuned. I gotta drive, so see you there. All right, that's how we're gonna do it, guys. Hop down and carry all this stuff down. You know, we're gonna do this. It's gonna be this deep. Oh, my back. There we go. Whew, come back up, it's gonna be crazy. All right. Oh, jeez. It's soft. Yep, look at that right there, boys. That's yeah, not cool. There's a couple footprints here, so I'm guessing it's not bad. A lot of footprints. I mean, it is pretty shallow here. I'm packing light, dragon light. It should be good. Oh, slush. We are at the mouth of the lake. That's good. We made it out alive. We're good. There's definitely open water. Whoa, some soft ice. Oh, it dropped through. Crap. Oh shit. I went to go stab the soft spot and it went right through. Crap. There goes my spud bar. Dang. Jeez. Oh man, that sucks. I want to avoid that. Those are holes. I'm gonna go ahead and set up this kind of jaw jacker because I gotta get rid of these freaking minnows, man. They've been alive for 4 days. It's crazy. You know, the goal, it's funny to say this, but the goal is to catch a pike. If you catch a pike, I'll be really happy. Send them down, boys. Got the new Okuma Samar. This guy right here, let me show you this real quick. Thing's amazing. It's a bait feeder basically. I don't even need the jaw jacker. I can just send them down and then let them pull it. I wasn't recording, guys. I just got a nice fish on. Whoa, oh, it popped off. No, it popped off. Dude, I wasn't even recording. What the heck was that? Jeez. Dude, I wasn't even recording. I just dropped it down. I was gonna turn it on and then he just smacked it while it was falling. That had to be a pike. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Thank God for finesse noodle rod. This is exactly why I love this rod so much. Man. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Let's watch out. Oh, and he's on. Oh my God, that's super light. Dude, without that freaking green tip, I would have never saw that. Oh, jeez. This bottom looked like a freaking torpedo. Yep, there you go. Nice little fish. Super fun to catch. Pretty colors, too. So what I got here is my kneeling pad, right? I put a hook on it, I zip tie it, I hook it, And basically I just clip this into my side, right, my bib. So that way I can take it off and put it down so you can kneel on it. So this is when I hold off. I just drop it down. Man, oh, that's so soft. Yep, exactly what you want. Come on, jaw jacker, go off. I'm gonna catch a nice pike. Jeez, bro, he's going off. Dang. Holy smoke. Let's get a shit out of it. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my tip. Why not? Why not? I was hoping to catch like a perch or something first and then doing this, but whatever. Try it out. See what happens. Jeez. Oh yeah. Let's see what happens. Feet of water. Enough. It's just really nice to be out here, honestly. Don't have to drive far, just fish for whatever that bites. Simplicity is always good, that's what I always say. Simplicity is good. Jeez. And it's going down. Holy smoke. My dude is wrecking them ducks over there. Wrecking them ducks. So far, committed fish came from 18 feet of water. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Oh no, he kissed it. I saw Maratsu go down. Okay. Oh, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of them. I didn't hook him, so. Dang, definitely got to downsize. I don't want to downsize. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Oh my dude, I felt that. That was so light. That was insane. I saw the out there just slightly breathe in. Got him. There we go. There we go. It's a little dude. It's a bluegill. Oh, relax. Oh my gosh, look at you. What a hot mess. What a hot mess. Oh my gosh. There you go. Look at the color on that thing. So cool. Dude, you're so fat too. Why? Why are you so big? They're feeding good. See you, buddy. I wish I had waxy so they just like engulf it. They're just hanging on to the tail. Got him. Got him. It's a bluegill. These dudes. Oh my goodness. And they're so freaking wide. It's crazy. Pumpkin seed. They're fun to catch. Just holy cow. I'm gonna downsize this just a little bit, cutting it off. Cutting off the body, and then that way if they breathe the tail in, they'll get the hook too. Oh, got him! The heck? He came out of nowhere. Wow, he didn't even give me time. Bluegill. Oh, I might use this guy as bait. Jeez, I hate when they wrap your stuff around like that. Should I throw him on the tip up? Nah, I'll wait for I get a perch. Come on, give me a decent gill. Oh, I got him, what the heck? Dude, this guy's super tiny. Yes, perfect bait. Perfect. got it, boys. We got the perfect size perch for the tip up. Yes, let's go. That's exactly what we needed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm excited. Clip this guy right behind the tail here. Oh yeah, he's not going nowhere. Oh, flying, flying. Got him. Yeah. This dude came up flying. Yeah, we got a perch. Finally. That's what I'm talking about right there. My dude had no regrets. Oh, and you ripped my plastic cups. That was his last meal. Got him. Yeah! Look at this. That's what I'm dealing with while I wait. Oh jeez, blacks. Got him. Oh my god, look how tiny this thing is. I drove all the way out here for this thing. What are you? What are you? Oh, it's a bluegill. Well, at least we got something. Came all the way out here for a bluegill. Coming, it's coming. Got him. Oh my god, so tiny. So freaking tiny. Oh god, it's a giant. Oh, it's getting bigger actually. But nice and slow. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a bluegill. It's not that big, but it's a bluegill. Nice pretty fish going down. Oh, there's another one down there. It's coming. Got him. Yeah. Another little dude. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Oh goodness. This is what I'm sacrificing for. Yep, let's go. I don't fish anymore. Alright guys, so we made it back at home now, and no, that guy was not shooting at me or he wasn't hurting anyone. He was simply duck hunting, doing his thing. He eventually came over when he was done hunting, and we talked for a little bit, and yeah, he was cool. He's a really cool dude. It just took me off guard because I was out there, it was peaceful. I had no idea nobody was out there with me, and randomly just gunshot, and it just took me off guard. As you can see in the video, I kind of like got a little weak, you know, almost fell to the ground because I didn't know what was happening. I don't know, I was just kind of like, whoa, what the heck happened? Like, what's going on? Is it coming at me? Is it coming at something? Is it a lion? I don't know. you don't know. You're just expecting like random stuff. So, but yeah, he was hunting. He wasn't harming anyone. He's a cool dude. Got to meet him, so it's all good. Other than that, I did throw my spud bar in the ice. I'm glad it was the spud bar and not me. As you guys see, out there on the ice, it was sketchy. It was at least like 2, maybe 3 inches of ice, and I was able to spud like my spud through the ice in that weak spot. So I'm glad it was the spud bar, because if it was me and I was being dumb and I stepped on it, my leg would have went in. I would probably like break that whole surface and it would have been pretty bad. Take precaution, be careful. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I do have a whitefish video coming your way. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the ice.